The single most reliable way to make at least $3,000 a month. Even if you don't have a website or experience. Listen. I know what it feels like when you're starting out. Even with the heart-thumping excitement, it can still get scary and confusing at times. You're not sure what works, it can make your head spin, and it seems like you're being pulled in a million different directions. It's hard to know which way to turn, and you don't know who to trust. I've been there too. Maybe you've hired a coach or mentor and been let down by empty promises? Or if you've been sold a product that turned out to be nothing but hype? Maybe you're jumping from one product to the next, never finding a solid plan. It's frustrating when you don't get the results you expect. It's not your fault, there's a lot of bad info out there and some people are masters at deception. What I'm sharing now is a proven method to make passive money. Even if you're afraid of failing and unsure how to move forward, there's no time wasting, no filler or fluff. Just a rock-solid blueprint you can use to turn your site into a sales robot. You do not need any website. No search engine optimization. No 9-to-5 working. No technical stuff. This is 100% proven method. The method is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something selling products owned by others, and when someone buys the product through you, you get a commission. Simple? Yes, it's that simple. But still, the information is way too broad to succeed online. All of the internet guru will tell you different things, but they don't tell you the exact method that make actual money. Maybe you know that you need a website or a product to make money, but the information is still too broad. What I mean to say that you must need to follow a step-by-step path to get success online. I've leave a link right below this video. Go and check it out.